All right, we're here at 10119 Colonial Country Club Boulevard, Unit 1902. Here's the parking spot. Comes with a storage unit right here. Then you have your covered carport spot. And then here's the entrance to the home here. It's a second floor unit. So you walk right into the stairwell here. You've got wooden stairs with a carpet inlay there. Then you have tile right here in the entry area. This home is being offered unfurnished. And as we walk upstairs, you've got the flooring here, the wood flooring spread throughout this main area and this den/bedroom. It is open to stairwell here. And then back here, you have the other guest bedroom, really nice sized bedroom here. Again, same type of wood flooring. And then you've got your closet here in the corner. All right, we've got the guest bathroom next here. And it's got the combination tub and shower right here. Tub looks in good shape, as does the tile on the wall as well. You also have a little linen closet right behind us here. A little storage with the hot water tank. And there's the linen, the AC handler. And then coming back out into the main area here, you have your dining space. You've got your kitchen area. You've got a little eating kitchen area right here where you could put a little table if you like. And right here is your laundry. You got a full-size washer and dryer. And some additional storage space above. Your kitchen here, you've got a little pantry right here. Got some updated countertops. Nice little backsplash there. Really nice, attractive unit. You've got the cathedral type ceilings here. And everything looks over your main area. Nice great room space here, plenty of room for lounging. Then we've got the master suite right back here, which is plenty big to hold a king-size bed there. Got these nice size windows overlooking the lake back here from your master. And we've got the master bath, the dual sinks. Got a nice standalone shower here with the glass doors. And we've got one closet here, really nice sized closet. And then you've got the private commode room here. Last but not least, you've got the views. The lanai is tiled, which is nice. And then you've got this nice corner view. And then these are accordion shutters here. These would just close across, and you've got your hurricane protection right there. Had it on both sides. All right, so this is the unit here. The last thing I'm gonna do is turn off the lights here in the main area so you can see what the brightness is like during the day. Now keep in mind, today is a little gloomy out. But this will give you some perspective as far as the natural lighting that you will get in here. And of course, we could open up these blinds and get some more light in here as well. And let's go ahead and do that real quick. So that even gives some more light to this area here. So not too bad at all. Even if we turn off your bedroom lights here, see you got some nice light from that master window. All right, so this is Colonial Country Club 10119. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we'll talk to you soon.